Ripa is one of the pieces of legislation you've got to know about. It stands for Regulation of Investigatory Powers Act, and it first came into action in 2000. Most of this law applies to public bodies, which definitely includes the police and the spy agencies, but it also applies to councils and HMRC. And it's all about determining how they carry out surveillance of people. So what sort of powers does Ripa give these public bodies? Well, in very serious cases, they are allowed to intercept and read communications like text messages and emails. They're also allowed to plant listening devices or hidden cameras inside homes or cars. And for these serious cases, there needs to be a warrant given by the Home Secretary. For slightly less serious cases, police and the government are allowed to ask internet service providers and mobile phone companies to hand over some data, perhaps relating to search histories. And that might be useful in a missing person search, for example. And they're also allowed to use undercover agents to watch people. And these lower cases only need permission from a senior officer in, say, the police. And all of this is quite controversial, but one particularly controversial aspect of Ripa is they can also demand people hand over decryption keys or passwords. And if you refuse to do this, you can go to prison if you don't comply.